a dedicated educationist having 23 years of teaching experience. The Great Mentors warmly invites Mr. Ganesh Sharma for talk show. Mr. Ganesh Sharma started his career with RIMC Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun, which is an inter-services institute and a category establishment of the Ministry of Defence. Mr. Ganesh Sharma is MA Education and MSc Computer Science. He is C8 level trained teacher from C Cambridge, London. He has worked extensively with the CBSE, ICSE, ISC and IGCSE, Cambridge. Mr. Ganesh Sharma has expertise in curriculum design, technology in education, assessment and evaluation, professional development for teachers, pedagogies based on ability of natural learning, various learning styles and co-curricular activities. Mr. Ganesh Sharma has successfully adopted best practices in the field of education, school management, staff recruitment and training, operational management, integration of multimedia, institutional marketing, compliance of laws pertaining to education, curricular and co-curricular programs for holistic development, etc. Mr. Ganesh Sharma is presently working as principal of Global Indian International School, NOIDA. He has been project leader for Teachers Training Program, Curriculum Enhancement and After School Program. He has been appointed as Senior Vice President Jiu-Jitsu Association of Uttar Pradesh, recognized by Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports.